I just picked this up at the post office. I am so excited. I can't wait to see what's inside. Stay tuned. Hi, it's Mandy again with my package from 7K Metals. I'm really excited to see what's inside. So let's have a look at it. keep going, because I brought something to help. Oh, here we go. Couldn't open it. Go. I'm ripping it open. It's like Christmas here. So, the first thing I see, I want you to be able to see this, Vault Report. Vault Report. I love the sound of that, and I'm going to read this cover to cover. I usually read in bed, but I may not be able to wait long enough. I may just have to read it this afternoon. So this looks really cool, and it's all sort of variety coin of the month. It shows you all these different things about coins. I'm just learning. I just started, so I'm excited about this. Then there's a piece of paper, not as exciting. Oh, it is exciting. It's the getaway, the vacation cards. $250 and $250. $500 worth of vacation discounts, specials, etc. And there's a video on how to use these. So I can't wait. I've got a family of 5, so we're going to be using these. Metals, congratulations, thank you for... Okay, so this is a welcome letter. I love it. I'm not going to read the whole thing out. Another vault report. So this is great. Another, I would call it like a little magazine, sort of brochure, pictures, etc. Here's another little card with information on it. I'm going to read it, but not right now, because you know what I want to get to, right? I want to get to the good stuff. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, and beautifully packed. I'm actually pretty impressed with how these are packed. So here, I've got 3 yummy coins, silver coins. I don't know if you can see them, but they're silver coins. This is in a little sort of double pack, like twins. We've got twins. And then here's another, I think that's a silver eagle. I'm going to have to learn all of this stuff. And then little packages that you can, little baggies that you can keep them in to keep them safe, because you want to keep them in perfect condition. So I'm going to put these over here. There's even a little bit more here. What's this? I don't know. A packing slip, just to let you know what's in there. I'm going to get rid of the box because I want to see what this is. I don't know what this is. Is this another coin? Yes. Oh. This is the Silver Eagle. Is that right? Yes, it is. It's a 2018 MS-70 Silver Eagle. I'm really excited about this. So basically, I've started my collection. I've started my retirement fund. I've started collecting these coins for my kids. So I'm really, really, really thrilled about this. And so that's it, folks. I just unboxed what you get when you sign up as a premium member in 7K Metals. Don't forget silvercoinclub.com.